Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Habib Ullah. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online. In today's modern world, you will find out hundreds and thousands of opportunity online to make money. But in this video, I few of them, the real ways. There are no chances of scam, there are no chances of fraud, and working on these platforms whenever there is no third party involved. Okay, so let's begin. What are these methods that I have brought today? The first one is through freelancing by learning skills. If you want to make money online, the first thing that I highly recommend to you is to learn a specific skill and then come out to online market and work for someone. Then you will earn money through that specific skill. Just like freelancing, there are skills. I will have specific video in coming days, but I recommend to learn skill, and just like graphic designing, just like content writing, or there are hundreds of other skills. So I will have a specific video on all the list of those skills in coming videos, but I recommend that you just go and try one of the skill and come out to online market and make money online and support your family financially. Number second is through cryptocurrency. I know a little bit about it, but I have not tried somewhere. I have no the Binance experience. These are the exchanges online. I have no experience of that, so but I can recommend that. And this opportunity is also a good opportunity. You can make money online if you sell few coins with yourself, few cryptocurrency, just like Bitcoin or anything else. When the markets are down, you can buy that, and when the markets are high, then go and try to sell that. Then you can make money through these ways. These are the real ways. But to make money online, the first thing you have to be careful with that is be aware of scams. There are scammers online, so do not trust anyone. I can say online, do not send money to anyone online. When you send money to them, then they will block you and you will be crying, there will be nothing. Okay, so I don't want to be the victim of it. And number third is forex trading. You can make money through forex trading. These are the same like cryptocurrency. I don't have experience in that, but I had friends online. They were working, and they are still working on that, and they are saying that we are making money. And you can find out specific knowledge, or on YouTube you can search forex trading, cryptocurrency, and these all things. You can come into contact with people, but I will emphasize on it again that do not trust anyone online. Do not send your money online to someone. Okay, don't be greedy online. You have to learn scale. If you want to make money through cryptocurrency, learn the scales of cryptocurrency, not proper trading. If you want to know forex trading, work on that, learn the scale, and then come out to the market and start forex trading. Otherwise, don't send money to other scammers, other people, to third party. Okay. And number four is product based companies. There are hundreds companies online, just like ROI based companies, product based companies, and just like other Ponzi scams, and these all decentralized platforms like Forsage, all these things. But I'm not recommending that these all companies to you, but I will only recommend product based companies. These are the real opportunities with you, especially Econics in Pakistan, a real opportunity with you. I have worked on that, but I have left working today because I had some personal issues. In future I will talk about that why Econics is not good. But it's according to Islamic point of view, I can say it's haram earning. But this video was only about there are opportunities to vary with you. You can make money online. And number four is through YouTube channel. So now I'm here with you all. I'm making and I'm trying to promote my YouTube channel to monetize, to get monetization and further get more and more subscribers, so to become a YouTuber and make money online through YouTube channel. So this is also my recommendation to you. To you can start YouTube channel if you have some skills. Even if you don't have skills, any one idea, if you have any idea, you can come out to the front of the camera and talk you in your own native language. If your native language is Urdu, Pashto, Punjabi, Baluchi, or anything, start and come out to the front of the camera and start discussion about different topics. Bring knowledge, tell us about your village, tell us about your village beauty, about your people. You will get subscribers with the passage of time and you will become successful. My best wishes with you. Go for it, try that out, and inshallah one day you will become a YouTuber and you will be famous personality, and also you will support your family financially through YouTube channel. And there are Amazon's companies, but I have not worked on that and I have no any idea about that. But these all opportunities online. So try these all things out, or just specific one thing from that. But I will recommend that you to learn skill and come out to online market and support your family financially. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. I will be back in another video. Thanks for watching.